Solvent welding. That's just a fancy term for gluing our pipe together. It's called welding because the pipe cement will melt the material to bond our pipe together. We'll be using a few different types of pipe cement for this project. ABS cement, PVC cement, and PVC primer. And although we won't be using it in this design, I've brought out some ABS to PVC cement as well. When building your own RDWC system, you may be forced to mix PVC and ABS fittings. In those cases, you'll need to use this special cement. Luckily, this design doesn't mix ABS and PVC, so we won't be using it this time. Today we'll be using Weld-On brand, but anything you find at your local hardware store should work just fine. We'll be working on our drain assembly first, so we'll pull out our ABS cement. It's important to shake your pipe cement well prior to application. We're first going to make sure both our pipe and fitting are clean. Next, we'll open up our pipe cement and remove the applicator brush. Keep in mind that the size of brush will depend on the size of can you purchase. We're going to wipe off some of the excess product before applying it to our fitting. Then we'll use the brush to apply our cement to the inside of our joint, making sure to completely coat around the inside of our fitting. Once our cement is applied, we'll join our fitting and pipe together. We're going to twist our pipe and fitting as we apply pressure. And we're going to continue applying pressure for a short time after to prevent the pipe from backing out of our fitting. And just like that, we've finished our first joint. We'll repeat this process for each joint in both of our drain assemblies. When we've finished our last drain assembly joint, we're done with the ABS cement. Now it's time to move on to our PVC fittings. For this, we'll be using our PVC cement as well as PVC primer. The PVC primer helps to prep our pipe for the application of cement. Like before, we'll want to shake both products well. First, we'll apply the primer to our pipe. Next, we'll apply our PVC cement over the primer. Now we'll join our pipe and fitting together. Again, we'll rotate as we apply pressure, and continue applying pressure for a bit to prevent our pipe from backing out. We're going to repeat this process for every joint in our supply line assemblies. And in no time, we've welded both our drain and supply line assemblies together. Do you have any tips for working with pipe cement? Would you prefer to use threaded connections you can easily screw together? What's your preferred brand of pipe cement? Let us know down in the comments. Next, it's going to be time to assemble everything we've built so far. Hopefully all our planning pays off and everything goes well. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind the scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.